Hey there, so let's talk about how to recognize an acid, because after all, you may have received this in class telling you or giving you a little bit of a study help on which naming system to use depending on whether it's ionic or non-ionic or an acid. And in order to know which rules to apply, you must be able to recognize which set of rules applies to the formula you're looking at. So acids. Let's just make really clear with acids how you recognize one. So, how do you know something's an acid? Consider this. H2CO3. That is an acid. It's called an oxyacid. It contains oxygen, but this is an acid. So, acid. Consider this. HCO3 minus charge. This is not an acid. Consider this now. H3PO4 versus HPO4. Acid. Oops, forgot to put 2 minus. Not an acid. Even when we look at acids that don't contain oxygen in the formula, like hydrochloric acid, HCl, if you have Cl minus, well, you have acid, not an acid. All right, here's the thing. Notice the pattern of all the things that are acids. They all start with hydrogen. Now, wait, these start with hydrogens too. But you'll notice that they also have a charge. And that's actually what makes them not an acid, because an acid is defined as something that releases hydrogen ions in a solution. So acids release hydrogen ions when dissolved in water. Okay, now wait, yeah, that's true, but how do you recognize that this is an acid and this is not? Well, here's what we're going to look for, okay? How to recognize an acid. One, see, I was going to say one thing, but I just realized I'll say something else. Their chemical formula starts with H. So chemical formula starts with H, as you can see. And condition number 2 to be called an acid, no net electrical charge. Well, technically it should be electrostatic, but you get the idea. Okay, that's why, yeah, this starts with a hydrogen, but it also has a charge. That's why it's not an acid. Starts with a hydrogen, has a charge, not an acid. This doesn't have hydrogen and has a charge, so it's not an acid on 2 counts. Okay, so that's what we're looking at. Acids start with hydrogen and have no net charge. All right, so them's the rules. There you go. Happy studies.